there everyone, I'm Angela. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. Especially if you're a fan of GoBrunch and Miro, we'll be showing you how to integrate these two fantastic tools to supercharge your online meetings and collaboration efforts. But wait, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our tutorials. If you're ready to take your virtual meetings to the next level, let's go! But before we can start this tutorial, what is Miro? Well, Miro is an online whiteboard where you can collaborate with your team anywhere in any part of the world. And give you some features that you can collaborate in real time while you're doing some brainstorms and collaborate sessions. So let's check it out how we can integrate and use this platform inside GoBrunch. Now we are here in our room meeting. The first step that we're going to do is go to the share icon. And then we go to boards and apps. You will see some options here, but we're going to choose the first one that is called Miro. You will see this pop up to sign in. You have to create your account. In this time, I'm going to sign in with Google and I choose my account. Nice! In this time, I'm using the free plan. The free plan gives you 3 different boards. If you want to create more boards, what I recommend is to erase the old ones and then you can create new ones. But if you are an educator or a trainer, you can apply to the paid plan with all the features. I will leave you the link below. So right now I'm going to create a new board. Choose a name, choose tasks, and I'm going to select here my team. I'm going to choose GoBrunch. All visitors can edit. You can choose here the option that fits better for you. But right now I'm going to leave it like this. And embed board. Nice. Now you can move this square around. You can resize the corners too. But I recommend to have a better experience that you can see this square in full screen. So how we can do that? We can go to this room settings, and we're going to change the view mode. We're going to change here dynamic mode to presentation mode. And then we click update. And now you will see what happens. There it goes. Now my Miro board is in full screen. So anytime that someone enters to the room, they will see this board like this. So like you see, now our Miro board is integrated with our room meeting. And now you can collaborate in real time with your team. Let's choose a template. Choose one, let's see, use template. There it goes. I'm going to show you some features and some nice tips that I know you're going to love. You have here a lot of options, a lot of stuff that you can use on Miro. You have different colors, you can paint, can connect stuff. It's really, really cool. Choose this color and like you see, I'm going to place it right here. Perfect. I can change the size of the note, my sticky note. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place another sticky note. I'm going to place it right here next to this one. You can write inside the note. And let's place my name. Let's place here another name. And right now I want to connect this note. How I can do that? I can click on my note and you will see these points around my square. So I'm going to click on one of these ones. And there it goes. Now I have this little arrow that is connecting with the other node. And if you move it around, the arrow will stay with the one that you connected. Really nice, huh? Here you click on the plus icon. You have pen, comment, friend, upload. A lot of options, a lot of features that you can use in the free plan too. Choose the pen. Let's choose this one. Here you can change the color of your pen. And you see, this can be really nice so you can highlight some stuff and some important things. When someone enters to your room, they can use this board without signing in Miro, without creating an account, and collaborate with your team using GoBrunch and Miro at the same time, without leaving your room. When someone enters and they are not signed into an account, they will appear like this, like visitors in your board. So it can help to be more productive instead of waiting till someone enters, creating an account, and all this stuff. So like this, people just can enter and start to collaborate in real time. And if you want to have this board permanent, maybe you want your teammates or your remote team, they enter to your room, they can collaborate in any time of the day, even when you're not using this board or when you're not in your meeting room, I recommend using the Embed option, because this is more focused for live sessions. We're cleaning the data of GoBrunch time to time. Your team enters and maybe they want to do some stuff in the Miro board and the board is gone inside your room. We're going to close here, and for embed your board, we're going to go to this room, background in editor, embed option, and we're going to go back to Miro. Choose the board that you want to share. To embed this board, I'm going to go to the share option. You will see some options here, then you can change it later and choose the one that fits better for you. We go to embed and we choose copy embed code. You will see this pop up, and then we go back to our meeting room and we paste the code. Nice! Our Miro board now is embedded. So we can resize here the corners and place it the best place you want in your room, and we save it. The only thing about having your board permanent is that when you embed your board, you cannot place it in bigger screen. Right now we are in presentation mode, but even that, the Miro board, it will appear like this because it's with the embed option. It depends what you would like, because if it's a live session, the best way is boards and apps. And if you want to have your Miro board permanent in your room, the best way is with background and editor and the embed option. I want to show you how you can share or integrate your Miro board using your subdomain account on GoBrunch. The first thing that we're going to do is go to the share icon, and then we click on boards and apps. Nice, now we scroll down a little bit and we're going to choose custom URL. So I have to go back to my board on Miro. I'm going to click on the share icon. You will see some options here. You can choose the one that fits better for you. We choose the embed option. Nice. You will see this code. I'm going to copy this, but I'm not going to paste it yet because I want to show you what part of this code you have to choose to share on GoBrunch. I'm going to choose just the link, the one that is inside quotation marks. I copy, and then we go back to GoBrunch. And here I paste my URL. Nice. And we click open page. Perfect. Now we click see the board. And there it goes. Now your board is integrated in your meeting room in GoBrunch using your subdomain account. And there you have it. Integrating Miro with GoBrunch is a game changer for your online meetings. It adds a whole new dimension of creativity and collaboration to your virtual sessions. Give it a try and watch your meetings become more engaging and productive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your teammates and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our YouTube channel. We have more tutorials for you. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to write to our support team or drop them in the comments below. See you next time. Bye!